QuickBooks Payments let you accept all sorts of payments from your customers, including cards, Apple Pay, or bank payments. You can add online payment options to an invoice or send customers a payment link for simple payment requests. QuickBooks processes the payment and records the transaction for you all at once. Your first payment you receive will show up in your bank within 5 days. After that, you should see payment deposits much faster. Let's go over how to sign up for payments and get your funds faster. To start, go to Settings. Select Account and Settings, and then the Payments tab. You might see other places around QuickBooks where you can sign up for payments as well, but you can always find it here. Select Activate Payments here. Enter info about your business here. Note that only the primary admin of your QuickBooks account can apply for payments. Review your info, and once everything looks fine, select Save and Continue. In the next section, enter the info about the owner here. If the address of the owner is the same as the business address, you can check this box here. Once you're done filling in all the required details, select Save and Continue. Next, decide where you want your payment deposits to go. To do so, select Add and enter the required info to connect to your bank. Check if the information you've entered is correct and select Save. When you're done, select Review and Finish. You will need to check this box agreeing to the terms and conditions mentioned below before you can proceed. Once you've checked the box, select Get Set Up. You're almost done. To comply with the updated regulations from the Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Centre of Canada, FINTRAC, we may need some additional business information from you within 30 days to ensure uninterrupted use of your money movement services, such as processing payments or payroll. Once you've submitted the required information, we'll verify your details within 7 to 10 business days to confirm whether you're good to go or to request more information. If we need more information, we will email the owner's email provided in the application at the start of the flow. Meanwhile, you can continue using QuickBooks as usual. Select Next here. Once you're approved, you can see the details related to your payments here. This is where you can manage some of your payment settings at any time and change any info if you have to. If you want to add a new bank account, you can do it from here. You can change the account information in your chart of accounts to let QuickBooks know where to automatically record standard deposits or processing fees. Finally, when you find something you have questions about, help is just a click away. Select the Help icon to chat with our online assistant, to see topics related to the page you're on, or to search for more info. That's it. Now you're ready to set up QuickBooks Payments and start managing your payments all in one place.